My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. I've worked at IRS for over a decade. I've worked over 10,000 cases. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. Welcome to my YouTube channel. They're short, sweet, to the point. I don't give you any fat. I cut to the chase so I don't waste your time. All my YouTubes are crowded. I don't think I have a YouTube over 7-8 minutes. Anyway, I want to talk to you about what are your chances your offer is going to get accepted and what are statistics on offers and compromise. As a former agent, I not only did I accept offers and reject offers, I also went ahead and taught the revenue officer candidates who were experienced how to work the offer program. So I've got a lot of accepted on the outside. I know what it takes to get an offer accepted. So I just want to give you enough information so you'd be dangerous. So IRS, this is just some general numbers over the last 3 years, okay? IRS publishes these reports, by the way. You can go to irs.gov. You can ask for a collection enforcement statistics. IRS gets in about, I don't know, 75 to 80,000 offers a year. They accept about 22, 23%. Just so you know, the average settlement is $16,000. Those are the numbers about over the last 3 years. So that's right, 80,000 people filled out offers and compromise forms of the one IRS worked because they were workable. IRS probably accepts, like I said, say 32, 33% of them, and the average settlement, like I said, is 16. I've never seen a $16,000 case. I've settled some of them for $500, some of them for $1,000, some of them for $1,000,000. It all depends on the size of the case and the assets that you have. So those are kind of the actual working odds. What are the odds your offer is going to go through? I have a 95% kill rate on offers, but really out of 20 people that want an offer, I probably only take one or two since I know what it takes to get an offer and compromise through. As long as you know, and this is just what I want to tell you how to get your offer approved, have a better chance. You got to know the formula. IRS is a very specific formula. You want to know the formula. I have YouTubes on that. IRS has a pre-qualifier tool. They walk you through the formula. Look at the IRS pre-qualifier tool. Make sure all your tax returns are filed and you're current in the year that you're in. The most important thing, two things about the offer program is you can't offer any less than the value of your assets, your liquid assets. So if you were to sell everything today, your house is discounted 20%, and you have $100,000 worth of pension or car in the bank, IRS isn't going to accept any less than 100,000, so don't try. But the most important thing you got to know is the IRS National Standard Program. The IRS National Standard dictates how much expenses you can take based on your income. And they're for every county that are in the United States. IRS will control what you can put down for food and clothing. They can control what you're putting for housing and utilities, for a car payment and operational costs. Those four things IRS dictates. Make sure all your tax returns are filed. Make sure you're current in your year you're in. Know IRS's liquidity formula. They want it all before you can submit the offer, minus 20% for real estate. And make sure, like I said, every tax return is filed and up to date. Once again, if you want to, walk through the pre-qualifier tool. If you want to contact me about me doing your offer, I don't take any offers unless I look at your financial statement. And I want to caution you is one thing. If you call a company, and there's a lot of people that do a lot of good work, if you're calling a company, you'll know that you're talking to a salesman if the person doesn't want to look at your financial statement and tell you what your offer can be. For somebody to tell you if your offer is going to get accepted, they have to see your IRS financial statement first before they can make a qualified decision. If you like this information, I try to open myself up and show you what IRS thinks of things. Please subscribe. It's very important to me. If you want to leave a comment and say, Michael, how about doing a YouTube on this? I will do this. Happy to do it as long as your question can help everyone that's out there. Thank you for listening. Always appreciate subscriptions. Have a great day. Blessings.